Welcome, friends, once again on my YouTube channel. Um, we are learning RET615 ABB Differential Relay. So, we are continuing our journey here. Today, in this session, we are trying to learn how to download PCM 600 software, which is compatible for any kind of ABB relays. So in this session, we are trying to learn how to download, and after software downloading, what are other things which you have to download as well. Not only software, because ABB we have a lot of relays, and every relays they have own connectivity packages as well. Okay, so we will try to learn how to download everything. So firstly, to download, just write down here PCM 600 software download here. Once you click on PCM software download, just click on first PCM 600. After clicking on PCM 600, just refuse all, they don't require. After that, scroll down and you can see a PCM 600 2.14, 2.13, 2.11. These all are latest softwares, friends. PCM 600 2.44 is a latest version, and the 2.13 is last second latest version. So as per my suggestion and experience, please don't download a recent version, latest version, because there are a lot of bugs and they can't support some of the relays, some of the versions as well. Okay, so as per my point of view, as per my experience, always download second last version. So click on PCM 600 2.13. Once you click on 2.13, the screen will pop up, download screen will here you can see. Click on download. After that, you will get this kind of form. Just fill it down. Okay, like first name electrical, last name friendly. Okay, just write down your email here. Your company, suppose my company is ABC, and the country, suppose I'm taking Australia. Okay, and just click on file to be download PCM 2.13 and the consent here. You have to give consent because of privacy policy. So now click on submit button here. Once you click it here, you will pop up this screen and they allow to download. So just click on download button. Once you download here, your you're downloading the version PCM 600 2.13 extension file, and with the help of this extension file, okay, you can download PCM 600 2.13 version, friends. Okay, this is the complete process of PCM 600 2.13. So when this process is completed here, just click on this folder and just follow the process, next, and at the end you will get a PCM 600 2.13 version. And before that, please make sure your drives, your laptop has sufficient space. After that, we need a connectivity package, friends, to just pack down here. And you can see here in the same screen connectivity packages. What is a connectivity packages? Okay, so connectivity package is just for individual relays. Okay, connectivity package, it's permit to connect that relay, particular version of that relay. Okay, you can, without connectivity package you cannot connect the relay. If you have a software, PCM software, but you if you don't have a connectivity package, you are not able to connect the relays. So for that, you will have required connectivity package. So click on connectivity package and just click on download button. Yes, so this screen will pop up here. Just write down here RET RET615. Once you write down here, you will get a lot of connectivity package. Out of it, just download latest one. Okay, 5.0. I think this is latest one. So just click here. This RET615 5.0. Just click on here, and after that, the connectivity packages start to downloading. Okay, I have already, so I'm not downloading right now, so I'm just post here. This is also post. So you will get any kind of suppose if you like to download ref connectivity package, you just write down ref, so you will get a lot of ref connectivity package, and make sure you are downloading a latest version, latest downloading connectivity package, so your relay, your software can connect to any kind of latest version as well. So these two things must required for ABB relays. Without connectivity package, you are not able to connect your relays with the software. Okay, so make sure you have a required connectivity package. Suppose your software is 2.13, right? And and you have commissioned your relay with the software like 2.07 version, older version. So to compete, so your that relay file may not compatible with 2.13. So for that you need to update manager. Okay, so here you can update your latest or your older relay version into the latest version by update manager. So this function is also very much useful because some of the in our substation, some of the relays commissioned in 2015 2016, at that time the PCM 600 software was like 1.09 or 1.20 or 1.50s like that, and right now the version is 2.13 or 2.14. So your that file cannot be compatible with existing PCM 600. So that's why you need update manager. With the help of this, you can update your relays with existing PCM software. So this all things you need to start your PCM journey, your ABB journey, and this things is applicable for all kind of ABB relays. And in next video we will try to learn each and every elements of this software, and we will try to connect the relays, we will try to configure the relays, we will try to learn the settings of the relay. Okay, so we will cover one by one in upcoming videos. So be in touch, subscribe my channel, and share this video. If you like this video, please share your friends, your colleagues. Thank you very much, friends.